Good morning, guys. Welcome. Today is Monday. This week is going to be a very volatile. So make sure we're taking trades, A1 setups, and taking profits. I want to give God all the glory and praise for waking me up this morning, just the ability to trade and have my beautiful wife next to me trading.
Good morning.
So with that, guys, we're going to be, market is about to open up here in a couple seconds. We're going to be patient. We're not jumping in trades right off the bat. I want to see some type of pullback, might just continue to drop, but we are going to be patient. XLE is run to reversal on the week. That's and with Home Depot, let me see how Home Depot opened up on the week. Tech just go off as well. Nike already gapped up. Nike was one that I was QQQ broke off. This is one reason I love charting and hate charting on the weekend, because the plays that I'm looking at normally they will trigger in the mornings, and it'll piss me off because of the simple fact that it's already starting to run. Now, right, I broke weekly high.
So everything is pushing to the upside.
But we're not chasing exactly what I want to see on MU. You want to wait for the first 15 minutes at least. Let markets settle in a little bit. Like gold, if GLD was supposed to probably break to this side, I will be taking GLD. Look at the Home Depot too.
You can either do today's or the 30th. So we're going to look at July 30th for when that does trigger. And I'm personally looking at the 306 put.
Perfect. See how MU just like drop down all the way down? That's what we want to see. We don't want to chase, because sometimes you chase and you're thinking, all right, market is going to go up and start pulling back. So GLD is coming into where it's going to break that low. So we want to wait for it to break. It just broke right now.
Did your alert go?
Yeah, my alert went off on my phone. So I'm going to be looking at the 306 puts for July 30th. So I'm in the 306 puts right now on the 30th. Up on those 4% right now. All right, we're up 6% on those, 8%, 10%. This is the first 5 minutes of the market, guys. So we can continue to drop. If the whole market right now, it looked like the whole market is dropping. If the whole market is dropping, then gold might push back up. Let me see right here. No. So the first target on GLD is going to be 305.14. Make sure you're taking profit once you hit a certain level. Once you hit 10%, I would like for you to scale something out of your contracts. My average cost on my contract is 150. Only trade we're in right now is GLD puts.
And then we're just watching HD, but it hasn't triggered. It's looking like it want to go, but it hasn't gotten there. Was it news? I didn't even check.
No, there's no news today.
Okay.
There's going to be news all week, but no news for today.
And we got a lot of earnings coming up as well.
So today seemed quiet, but tomorrow we're going to start having news.
Just going to have some patience. Did you go over the whole chart on this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we broke down this right now.
Go back to higher time.
It broke on the 4 hour to the downside. It already broke the week. It could come up and close this gap.
Morning to those that are coming in. Morning. Good morning.
I'm also watching SPY to the downside. If SPY is dropping, this can push.
Well, right now, the only thing that we're currently in is GLD, but we bought our contracts out. We didn't buy today's contract because it could take a little bit. So just letting you guys know, we didn't buy today's contract. There's no top of that.
No, but SPY is setting up to fall. We reject off of here, so we're setting up to fall. If SPY is falling, this could push up.
For those that are now coming in, kind of go.
Right now, we're being patient, guys. The only thing we're in right now is GLD puts. Right now, we broke to the downside as far as we broke the day, but I'm more looking on the week. So we broke the week to the downside. So we should fall. The first part is going to be at 305.15. That's why I didn't take today's contract, right? Because we could fall. But overall, this is going to be a long-term play that I'm looking at as well, that we could take to the downside. Having more on the contracts will be fine as well. So Home Depot look like it wants to drop, but I'm not even paying attention to that, right? If Home Depot go this way, I'm not entertaining it. I want it to go that way.
See Home Depot on the week?
Home Depot on the week should probably pull back. It's going to pull back.
Oh, yeah.
Probably could pull back to VWAP, bounce off of VWAP and then go up. So we're right at the 200 on the 15 minute.
Sometimes you just got to stick to your trading plan.
We're up 4% on GLD right now, 6%.
We're only in GLD.
Only in GLD right now.
Puts.
GLD puts. And we're in the
306 puts for July 30th. For those that are wanting to know, that's where we're at right now.
We're up 8%. What time is it? We got 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. We're up 8%.
There we go. Remember, 305 is a cycle level just as well.
Here we go, guys. This last 50 seconds, once we drop down, try to take something off the table, because with this, we can pop up and retrace back up and then continue down. Up 10% on these.
All right, 30 seconds left in this 15 candle.
Up 11%.
But the whole goal is to build your account. So if you want to take small profits here and there, that's why we talk about scaling out. You don't have to sell all, but you can sell a portion so you can at least capture some type of income from.
All right, dropping, guys. Here we go. Up 12%. All right, SPY just reversed on a 5. So let's see if we get the drop. Remember, we can pull all the way back up to VWAP, okay? We can pull all the way back up to VWAP.
So I did scale out just a little bit at the 12%. So letting you guys know, we still have more.
Up 15% on these, guys.
All right, here's a fall. It's falling. Dang, all my other alerts going
up 18%.
But gold is good right now.
Are we dropping here, guys? We're dropping. Look at this support line right here. We might take a little bounce right there. Right now, we're up 20%. Make sure you're taking some type of profit.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Happy Monday.
Up 22% on these. We're falling right here. We might have something right here, okay? So here we go.
Here's a target. One of the targets it's touching, but
all right, we're coming down to our first target. 27%.
Yeah.
Make sure you're taking some type of profit. This is that area right here that I'm talking about. This line right here. It might respect that line for a little bit, come up, and then continue down. But we want to make sure that we're taking profit along the way. All right, SPY is dropping hard, just a rejection off right.
His goal is going to push up.
We might have gold push up, but everything is falling right now. We're still under here as far as VWAP. We don't have to necessarily touch right here there, so make sure you're taking profit along the way. Depot is breaking down. Let's see on a smaller time frame what we're doing. 9 seconds left in this 5-minute candle.
We are going into a buy zone, so I should be mindful. It's right there. Just needed to push down here. Just one quick push. All right, here we go.
30%. There's no top on this 5-minute candle, so we might pop up. We have a small gap right here. So be mindful that when we drop down, we're gonna pop back up. So right now we're up 30%.
And mind you guys,
31%.
I know, but we did not buy today's contract. If we bought today's contract, we would have been up. But it's okay. We wanted to be safe.
If we had bought today's contract, we would have been over 100%. There we go, guys.
There's the hit.
35%. Woo! We're dropping.
It hit that target.
All right, so we just hit that target. We might pop up. Make sure you're taking profit. If you didn't take profit yet, make sure you're taking profit.
That's what I'm talking about. The charts is the charts. You see how the buy level's coming in? I hope everybody scaled out. You see how quick that moved? When gold gives you opportunity, you better take
You see why I tell you guys right when right here, I mentioned to you guys, there's a gap right there, okay? We had to pop back up, okay? So now we pop back up and close this gap. We could continue to fall. The 15-minute on here is extended. We could continue to fall, but make sure you are taking profit.
If we break this level, then we're going down.
All right, we're up 35% again on these. Make sure you're taking some type of profit.
Here's
up 40%. There we go. We just hit target completely. Okay, we just hit target. Breaking below target right now.
Yeah, almost 40%.
Up 41%.
All right, guys, watch it. Got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle. So I don't know, his account was acting weird. He couldn't get in. And he was about to be up. So, like I told you guys, this is a skill that you can teach your children. Our 14-year-old trades with us. Look at that. Hit my second target. Look at that. See my line, right? You see where my cursor is.
All right, guys, I'm out of the trade completely.
Everybody made money today on this play.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh, it's still falling. It is hitting levels.
All right, I just got out.
Guys, that was
I
a good
took
one.
profit. Our next target is going to be down here,
See.
304.19. We're falling. Now, breaking down this right here, we could continue to fall, guys, because this has an ATR of $3. So with an ATR of $3, we already fall $2 out of that three. We can come down more to 303. If you're still in, make sure that you're scaling out, take profit. As far as with me, I'm out of mine already. I'm completely closed out of mine.
That was a good one.
Great trade today, guys.
Thank
Happy
you guys
Monday.
for trusting us. Let's get it. That's how we start our. My son's like, "Oh, y'all good for the rest of the day," and it's still falling. The diamond hand holders. I know y'all still hold. Please take something if you're still holding.
Great trade, guys.
Who took that trade? Anybody took it? I hope so.
Make sure you drop in profit flex.
You guys have to trust the process.
The setup was beautiful as far as the weekly.
But we like it on a longer term too.
We did mention this in the swing trade, didn't we?
No, I had like IWM, I had like HD, but I didn't. I forgot to put this one. We had looked at gold. I said we will talk about it on the live.
A lot of these guys, like say for instance, with HD, I like as far as a setup, but it broke in the direction that I don't want it to. I'm off this trade. If you're still in it, congratulations, but make sure that you're taking profit. I already called it out. Everybody should be profitable. Yeah. Everybody should have made at least 40% on their trade.
Even if you got in late.
HD has this setup, which I love, but I am very biased towards the downside.
You want HD to go.
I'm very biased towards the downside, meaning I'm not taking anything down on HD because I'm bullish on HD.
But that's not what you just said.
Sometimes I'm backwards with my talking because I'm Jamaican.
That's what I'm here to do. Translate for y'all.
I have my wife
to
with
go
me.
to the upsides because when I was reviewing the charts, you got to remember the real estate market is pushing right now. So if real estate market is pushing, we got to look at what other sectors are going to benefit from that. When I was going through my watch list, I said, "Oh, wow, okay, HD. What's the other ones? There were some other ones we were looking at should set up to push because that whole sector is pushing. All of them are starting to push because you're gonna need materials, right? You're gonna need lumber. You're gonna need certain things. And when we looked, HD to me was amazing because if HD breaks, it's going to unlock certain levels. So the weekly is going to go ahead and break the 3 month. If the 3 month go, it can go ahead and break the 6 month. The 6 month go, it's going to break the 12 month. So for longer term plays, for people that like a swing, and you want to like just hold on to something, I do like HD as long as that trigger breaks.
The thing for us guys is not being greedy. I'm all about taking profits. I'm all about making money. One thing I've learned over the years of trading is that I used to be the one that will be up 50%, 60%, 100%. And let the trade just ride. And sometimes it's damaging, especially if you're trading with a small account and you're only trading with one account, you want to hold on to it, right? And you want to hold on to it and see how far it can go. And it might go far, but it also might reverse on you. So I'm always big in taking profit because compound over time, progress over time is what you want. And if you account progress every single day, if you keep on getting gains every single day in your account, imagine where your account could be by the end of the month or by the end of the week. So make sure that you're taking profits.
And if you've been on these live with us from day one, you already know my signature line, right? Don't let a green trade turn red. At the end of the day, you can always get back in, but don't let a green trade go red. Don't be up 50, 100%, and then, wish you would have took profit. So let's go over the alerts that went off already.
I'm liking
Meta went off.
Meta went off. So guys, I'm gonna just be real with you guys. I'm not messing with Meta at all until after earnings. So you won't hear me do a Meta call out until after earnings. Now Meta earnings is going to be on Wednesday. The IV is gonna be high, the contracts are gonna be high, and you can't get caught in Meta. If you want to risk it for the biscuit type of stuff, and you want to put in
went
and
off
say,
on the weekly, I think. Put it on the weekly.
You want to go? No.
I charted this. I charted it, and he was like, "Yo, earnings," and I said, "Okay, I respect that."
Yeah, we can push, and we should push. We can go back up, Right now, the target is going to be. I'm watching Home
HD?
Depot. Yeah, I'm watching Home Depot in
I'm
the
looking at
corner.
that for the reversal.
Right here, the target is going to be 727 on 727 on Meta is going to be the target, right? That's for the week. We could stay and consolidate within this area for the time being. I'm not taking HD no matter what. I would love for HD to break the high of the day because that just signifies
We will be
as far as,
an expansion.
but that shows that
Right.
we're gonna go upward with this at that point, and the move is gonna be a lot better. Okay, so we broke this double inside, but it's like barely broke it. We should come down, right? Which we have couple things right here. I'm in teaching mode, guys, if you don't notice, because I don't see anything, and we just did a great trade. Right here, we have a gap that needs to be filled, right? So that's a gap that needs to be filled. It could come down here. Okay, we have 2 more days. What I would love to see though is for it to come down, close this gap, and continue up for the week. If not, and it break today here, we are no we. I am 100% behind this trade going to the upside because now we're pushing back to the upside. We didn't want to go down. Buyers say no, right? We're going up and they're taking it up at that point.
We look at other sectors and see what they're doing.
SPY is looking lovely as well. We're at all-time highs, so we have to be careful with SPY. We are at all-time highs. Just cool it.
Nike, was it Mara?
If this reverse on a 15-minute, because this is a 15-minute inside.
Okay, yeah. Then it could be a potential.
Let me
go on all time frame real quick. It's about to push.
Yeah.
Let me see all time frames.
Let's start with a smaller. Oh, yeah.
It did push already.
We broke above.
Yeah. Let me see.
We're using the 200 as support. 15-minute. We're still below VWAP right here.
And start above it.
30-minute.
Honestly, this is going to be a bigger move right here.
Yeah, if you wait.
Can you put that line for me?
What, right here?
Just put a line right there for me.
Yeah, it just broke that 15-minute.
But that 15 might go into trigger the 30. Let me see.
It will trigger the 30.
So it's a potential.
Yeah,
no, it is a play. It is a play.
It's going to trigger the 30. All right, watch Home Depot, guys. Home Depot is pushing right now, too. See how it's triggering. It's about to trigger. Yeah. And then on a day, that's all-time highs. So no, 6, yeah, we're about to break day high. We're about to push. We just broke day high. Testing. I'll say wait.
Just not yet, but just set it up in case.
Up or down? Okay, because it could go up to test that day high. And then
well, you got to remember there's resistance right here. You look left, in which it literally just.
Now, we're talking about previous, like, it went to 340 pre-market. I'm watching Home Depot right here.
You gotta look at the contracts and see if there's something that you can get. So over time, if you're new, you're gonna have to learn the abbreviations for a lot of this. I mean, a good little tip on the weekend is possibly just sit down and look up all of the stocks that's on your watch list that you like, right? Learn the abbreviations. So it's quick. You just know all the different abbreviations. So that's a little tip, just so you're quicker on the trigger. Like my son, he's still learning the abbreviation, so I have to tell him what Home Depot is and so forth.
We're retesting day high. It doesn't mean that we have to continue up. We're retesting day high. In Home Depot, guys, I feel like I need to buy Home Depot already. Let's
check these contracts. So let's look at Home Depot, see what's going on over here, so we set ourselves up for success. Amani, it's probably not something you're going to be able to do.
August 1st. I'm looking at August 1st.
Spread.
The spreads are not decent on it, but I'm looking at 180. 380 calls on Home Depot.
I was looking at 377. All right.
Should have took this damn trade down here, you know.
When it busts, yeah. So it was going to look like it was going to do a reversal.
Yeah, because we're already above the 50. We already break above the 50. This is back to the high side. We're pushing. That happened quick. All right, guys. So
Didn't trigger yet.
we have
Wait,
5 minutes. Home Depot is gonna push. Look at that. Contracts already did 10%.
It's getting ready.
It already did a
Yeah,
3.
we should have gotten for one. I like Home Depot for a swing.
Home Depot already did. Like I look at the contracts, it was 164. All right, so I'm gonna get in Home Depot, guys. Let's wait for this to end. Let's wait on this 15-minute to end at this point because we have this extension up here. We can come back down, so let's just wait. I really like Home Depot to the upside. Missed out on a great trade just now. Contracts went to $2. So that by itself was like over 20% move just like that within that 5 minutes. So let HD come back down first. Let it come back down first. This bad boy don't want to come down.
I took a small position.
Yeah, I'm thinking about taking a small position in there.
It's up already 8%.
I'm gonna take a small position in HD.
You can always add more.
I took a small position in HD. It won't contract. Oh my gosh, it still didn't fill.
I'll see you to the races. Kind of went up there and hit that first.
Like literally, that was like a 30% move already on Home Depot from the time we looked at it. Sometimes you have to wait for confirmation, but it's okay. Home Depot, though, I definitely like Home Depot to the upside. That's one of the trades that we talked about for a swing trade.
So, in my spot, you got 20 seconds left in his 15. So,
did you get?
No, he didn't. You didn't tell him to.
Look, the 385 calls for Home Depot.
For him to swing.
Look at 385 calls for Home Depot. You should be able to afford it, but you're gonna swing these. Yeah, we might have a pullback here, guys, on Home Depot. Home Depot for me is more of a swing trade, but I'll say take profits regardless. Let me see right here. Let me go in there for you, Money. You did? Okay. Both of them, though. If this break 170 next, you have this whole area that it rejected. That whole area right there. You calling that anything else?
No, I wanted SPY from.
When it broke at
yeah.
15. That's 40-cent move on it. Google.
You gotta look at it though. You just gotta look at it.
Nah, Google been falling this whole time.
Look at that fall. Oh my god. Oh,
it's about to break.
Google put.
Oh.
You guys know our alert went off. But we're not. We're gonna follow the trading plan. Guys, HD's moving. You guys know we have back tested.
Yeah, Google, but Google just.
But I'm not gonna listen. We put a rule, guys. 3 trades. There's your HD.
All right, there we go. So, HD to the moon.
I think I'm up like 20% on mine. You got in later.
Yeah, it wouldn't fill on my.
So if you guys got in HD, please monitor your trade.
Oh, I'm up 10% on HD
so
right now.
You could go ahead if you wanted to scale out. I think I'm up like 20 or something.
Yeah. So you guys are profitable in HD.
Look at y'all.
I like HD to the upside, guys. At least a 380 and above. Like we said, we had that swing. Now
that was our swing trade.
Now, we still take for swing though, you want to make sure that you have it for a longer period of time. You will make more profit going into this week, right? But the swing trade that we're talking about, anytime we talk about swing trade, you normally want to get it at least 2 to 3 weeks out.
Oh, look at my baby.
How much you up?
30 something percent.
He's asking if it's for the week.
When he see profit, he be like, "Yo, can I take my money? Can I take my money?" Yeah, I love it. I love it for him. He's
up already 34% on his contracts.
You know what my son said to me, y'all? He said, "Listen, I'm about to be in class with my little earbuds, listening to the trades, taking trades while in school." I'm like, "You can't be doing that." But that's his whole focus. He's like, "Listen, I got to trade and be in class." That is 2 profitable trades for the day. I hope you guys took some type of profit. Obviously, we know where the target is. It's right there. But at the end of the day, Georgia and I have a limit of 3 trades max. If we have 2 that are really good, profitable trades, we don't go in because we're not chasing again, right?
But if you want to sell it,
this is not a sprint. It's a marathon. And
get profit if you feel like you want to.
Y'all already know. You told him to take his profit?
If he wants to.
I'm not going to tell nobody not to take their profit.
Yeah.
If he's comfortable with his 30%, then he can go ahead and take it. If he wants to continue to let it ride, I call this for a swing, but it's still good for a daily play as well. Some people want daily money. They don't want to hold and they don't want to be in the drawdowns and the ups and downs of the market. I get it. But for people that are working and busy and can't watch, these are great swing opportunities. First of all, time frame continuity to the upside, right? I told you guys that time frame continuity is a big deal. Don't go against the trend. So yes, HD had broke to the downside. And what did we say? Hell no, we're not getting into that, right? We're just going to go ahead and wait for it to play out. And as you could see, it's playing out. We already knew not to get caught in that. Where to the downside?
My son
talking
asking
about
me,
the
is there a
gap.
gap? You could take your profit if you
Show me. Let him show us.
There's a gap
It
right
hasn't
down here.
indicated that it was coming back down.
That is a gap right there that can get filled back to the
Correct.
downside. If you want to take your profit,
you-
should be up minimum
Yes.
20%.
Go ahead, baby.
You took your profit?
There's 3 minutes left in this candle.
She's like, "Mommy, can you just tell me, should I sell?"
Nope. He gotta learn. You gotta learn. I'm not gonna tell
you
him.
took losses when I told you not to take losses.
That
so
part.
I'm not gonna tell you to take gains.
You manage your own
You manage
account.
it. His account could have been a lot further if he didn't. But
He be getting too scared.
We have pullbacks happening, guys. So we have pullbacks happening on QQQ and probably on SPY as well. So we might see the pullback come on Home Depot, which as soon as I'm talking, you're seeing that.
Just manage it.
So make sure that you're managing your profits. You should be up over 20% on Home Depot.
And that's if you got in late with George.
I was looking at it. My contracts wouldn't fill. That's the downside about some of these brokerages. I was trying to get it at 164. I didn't get it until 212. And I'm still up on these right now 15%. I would have been up over 50% on these contracts right now. So make sure that you're taking your trade, taking your profit, because we can't come back down to that gap. Giovanni's making a whole meal or something.
I hear all the pots banging downstairs. We got 1 minute left in this. What is this? A 5-minute candle?
Yeah, if this 5-minute candle ends this way, then we're gonna be in some situations here.
Yeah, but
you can.
Right now it's
but
still
the 15
above.
minute,
the next target is 377.
377.
73. Huh? I love that for you.
On the weekly. Oh, there we go, guys.
Are you still in it? Did you just sell? No. No. I think he literally just pressed the button and the pop-up happened. No. Get it. I love you though. I'm proud of you.
All right, up 20% on these guys.
We like to have a good time over here, guys. We don't want trading to be boring. We want it to be fun and engaging. Right? There are going to be moments where this live will be silent, right? But then there's times where we're going to laugh and, cut it.
Let's see right here.
Don't forget to put your profits in Profit Flex. Make sure you screenshot your profits, put it in Profit Flex. Let us know how you're liking the lives, at least that, so you can go in there and just give us your testimony of how you're enjoying it.
I would say if a break below the 5-minute,
this should run.
I don't even want to. I probably great swing. I'll probably take some contracts off the table though.
Listen, I like diamond hand.
I like some type of money in my pocket,
Listen, this is good lunch money today.
Lunch money.
So where are you taking me next?
Jamaica.
All right, flying out to Jamaica. Thank you, HD. Trip time.
You guys should be up over 20% on these. Just make sure you're monitoring your trades, okay? Don't be greedy on this either. Our next target is going to be 377.75. Just look at the 15-minute. The 1 hour is about to end.
We got time. It's extended, but it got time.
Why didn't we enter right here?
We were supposed to get in from right here at 10 o'clock. That's when we were supposed to get in. But it's okay. We waited for the daily. We wanted proper confirmation. We wanted to be sure. There we go. The only things with these is a spread. So you have to make sure that you're selling into momentum, if anything, as well. So we're up over 20%. So you want to make sure that you're scaling out or take something off the table with this. And that's with him getting in way later than he was supposed to
Yeah,
be.
way later. Because
Very late.
these contracts right now are 250, current price 250, and I was trying to get it at 164.
So let me, you in your teaching mode, right? So this is the daily, right?
Oh my God. What am I doing
Yeah.
here?
First of all, let me show you guys why I was looking at this. This is the daily right here. This is a strong move to the upside, period. Now, it did break down here, but a time frame continuity showed that this was to the upside. We looked at the real estate market. We know the real estate market is pushing, so obviously we got to come into this sector. This whole sector should be pushing, but we like Home Depot. So it's going to go hit. That's target. Weekly.
Oh my God.
When the day breaks, it's gonna go break. Now, let me go ahead. You talking about you teaching? Let me teach. So the daily is gonna go ahead and trigger the weekly, right? We looked at the weekly. The monthly just triggered from down here at 375. The monthly triggered. First target is going to be 384. The ultimate target is going to be at 389. Now, this is on the monthly. As you guys can see, when the monthly target hits, it's going to trigger the 3 month. I already got this charted up. When I tell y'all this was a juicy one, so you can understand my madness. The 3 month is going to trigger next level. Yes, we're going to have some resistance here, but next level is ultimately at 426 on the higher time frame, right? That's 3 month. What does that give us, guys? That means the 6 month is going to break. So if the 6 month breaks, where are we going? First level 440. Now y'all understand why I said this is such a good play, right? Once we break that 6 month, guess where we're going? Yearly highs. Does that not look like HD's back to the upside? All right. That was my little teaching moment. So just so you know, this did hit its daily target for the day.
Yeah, we're three thing away. So that's why we always mention to just take some type of profit off the table, because if we drop back down, your contracts is not going to be the same. Okay. Your contracts won't be the same. So right now I'm up over 25%. So it's hitting daily target. This can have continuation up, right? We could continue up.
Basically 380. Okay.
Like this wants to break all type of.
I'm telling you, everybody's seen. You got to remember, regardless if it's bots or human trading, you have to have certain confirmation.
We just broke the week. Right, so we're up 33% now. Up 33% on our next target is gonna be right there at 380
roughly. But that doesn't mean that it can happen today,
because it's a weekly. So we
on
can
a weekly
pull
time
back.
frame. So things can pull back in, which obviously hits target. As you can see, there's a little pullback. Okay, well, that's why you got to sell into the momentum.
Yeah, the spreads is crazy. You have a 30-cent spread right now on these.
I mean, I've seen nastier, but just be mindful. New 30 just started. This is extended. Could come all the way back down here, and who wants that?
Yeah.
So those are our trades for the day. I'm not taking any more trades.
Two great trades for the day, guys. Two great trades for the day. We just broke that weekly, so great trade. There we pushing even higher on here. Up right now 38%, guys. Man. Up 40%. Armani's pissed right now.
Oh, I know. He's probably bawling because he could have held it.
He could have.
But, you know, he want to take profit. So
yeah,
I
but
understand.
For him to, I love the fact that he's taking profit and learning to take profit. So regardless if it pushes or not, he made money.
Everybody made money today.
Yeah. Guys,
HD is still pushing.
Please post something in Profit Flex. Drop a little something. Guys, if y'all I mean, I don't even know what to say at this point.
Next level is 380.
Yeah.
380.
Next level is 380. That's going to be the psych level right there. That's 45% right now in these contracts for the latecomers. Definitely for the latecomers.
So don't let no one tell you options is a scam or you can't do it. Don't allow anyone to get into your head. I always say in a season like this, when you're trying something and you're trying to grow something, you got to eliminate to elevate. You got to cut people off. You got to isolate yourself for a period so you can just be locked in mentally, because people will discourage you from trying new things because they're not doing it, or maybe they're not making the money. As you guys see, this is money that you can make on a daily basis. And it really depends on you, right? Because everybody is trading with different amounts. So one person could be trading with 1,000, one person be trading with 10, somebody be trading in here with 100,000. So everybody's profits is going to look different. And if you do the math, I mean, shoot, it speaks for itself. Now, is every play going to be green? No. As a trader, you have to have that mindset and be okay with there are going to be some that you don't win. But the nice thing about it is that we know where to cut, where to let go, and we keep our winners. So I just wanted to just drop that this morning because I see so many people that want to start, but they're afraid to start. And fear is going to keep you stagnant. It's going to keep you in a chokehold. And you just have to step out, because if you do nothing, fear and faith is the same, right? It's just tails and heads. So which one would you rather spend your energy on? So I'm all about believing and just having, what is it? Delusional? No, not delusional. What do I call it again? Big audacious goals. Big audacious goals, big audacious prayers. And if you have a goal attached to your why has to be big in this to keep you going.
I just started a new book, so I'm excited about this book.
I think
Guys,
everybody go enjoy your day.
I'm done for the day. Home Depot is still pushing. We should go to 380, but I'm leaving y'all with 45% profit, right? So with that, y'all probably is more than 45% profit, because when I was calling it, this is the reason why certain brokers are a little bit easier for certain brokers, because once you hit market on a broker, it's gonna give you right there. Look at Home Depot pushing, right?
Still pushing.
Still
God,
pushing.
he's coming upstairs.
He's gonna be pissed.
He's going to be pissed.
So, it sounds like they're bringing us food too. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look
How
at
sweet, guys! Look what my kids just did. They just made us breakfast. Let me see if y'all can see. Look at the breakfast my son just
look at
made.
it! Look at that! Look at that! Pancakes and egg. That's what I'm talking about.
I have amazing kids.
You made the pancakes, and Armani made the eggs.
I made both because I made it on the pan.
Oh,
Oh, you made the eggs on the thing.
look
You
at
made
you.
the eggs.
Look at you.
Armani didn't do nothing.
No.
Amen. Thank you.
That's what's up, Gio. Hey, I'm building some efficient kids right here.
Yep.
8 years old. That's what I'm talking about.
He's gonna be traded next too.
Thank you, Gio.
Thank you, Armani. Oh, it's still running.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go spend time with my kids and chow down on this food. It's 10:30. 8. It's 1 hour into the market. Both trades was amazing. Let me see. I don't even know where GLD is right now.
Do you want to see?
I'm scared. Okay, so GLD even dropped further.
It did hit the following target.
The GLD dropped further. It hit the target and then bounced back up. And it hit the second target, then didn't go anywhere else. It just bounced back up. So with that, great trade on GLD, guys. Great trade on Home Depot. I'm bullish on Home Depot. So with that, guys, have amazing rest of your day. Drop in your profit flex. Drop in the profit flex, y'all. Profits. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning.
All right. Bye, guys.